Here we are at the top. Here's our like meadow-like area where the cattle like get out of the sun. It's flooded down here. Our fields are just totally flooded. The water was so deep at the bottom I couldn't even reach the lower gate. It's got to be 3 or 4 feet deep down at the bottom. Here's our lower entrance and the road going in. Here's a little bit of a panoramic going around the sky. One of the cattle up on the hill. It's a lot of water. There's some ducks out there. I don't know if you can see it. Out in the distance, there's the ducks right in the center of the screen swimming around. I think they've adopted this as their pond here. On the distance, some of our side fields. Back to this meadow area here. That's all for now.